I'm looking. It's not hard to do, by the way. Thank you for the rose, babe. Thank you. Okay, you guys ready? Shut the fuck up. I'm whispering. Shut the fuck up. I looked away, sorry. What don't I get? What'd I miss? Am I slow? Oh, it's so good. Hey, Kearney. I hope you're feeling better, babe. We're going to go ahead and just add the rest of Mom's powder. We're going to do some laundry, some cans. The blue's good too. Her blue's amazing. I feel like it's good, right? Why would y'all say I missed it? Hey, Bubbly. Hello again. Some of it does. The blue, this, the red. Red smells like strawberries. Then you must have missed DJ Tiff, the DJ Tiff version earlier. But I'm glad you're relaxing. I don't know what it smells like, because it also smells like pink pinealin and all the things I put in, but it smells really good. It's hard to explain. Only when I add the comet, obviously. It smells pink pinealin, watermelon fab, or watermelon Mr. Clean, dish soap. We were already live outside, did a huge overload. This is just a little sink combo. Glad you're enjoying, friend. Aw, thank you. Hi, Anxiety Squeezes. How are you, babe? Welcome in. All right, guys, I'm not ignoring the chat. I am going to stay a little quiet just because a lot of you guys are trying to sleep. Hey, sweetie, welcome in. Thank you, Ebony. I will. This is so good. It's fun to do toe overloads outside just cause, but I love my sink lives. If you're not following, please do. Ooh, yum. Smells so good. Right, Zoe? Thank you, Meditation Squeezes. It is, huh? This is my last combo tonight. No, it's so good. You guys, we have a lot of comet in here. I agree. I think it's one of my favorites. Two more. We did 3 tonight. We did yellow, we did purple, and we ended with pink. Hey, Nat. Thank you, Princess. If you're new here, please go ahead and give me a quick follow. I go live every Saturday afternoon, Saturday evenings for round 2, Saturday mornings outside in the tote, Saturday evenings in the kitchen sink. Let's get this smoothed out. What do you guys think of the pink? You like it? The line is closed, guys. Sorry. Well, I did almost pass out in the middle of a live. Was anyone in here when I did my pop alcohol, pinesol? I don't even know what it was. It was awful. I had to end my live. Cut it short. Do you guys remember that? It was a lot. I was like, okay. I was getting lightheaded. I couldn't breathe. I love it too, it's so good. I don't know. I don't want to find out though. Probably. Pink. I gotta tell you though, I think blue and pink are tied. Her blue is amazing. It's really shimmery, shiny, and there was no tidy bowl in it. It looked like there was tidy bowl in it, but it wasn't. Ooh, that doesn't sound safe. All right, you guys, we're gonna save. We are saving. Then I'm hopping off. I've got messages I need to return.